Hi, welcome to Math Class with Mrs. King. Today I'm going over Eureka Math, 5th grade, Module 2, Lesson 5. Okay, so students are learning to use a visual model in order to solve for multiplication problems. Okay, here we go. So in students' homework, they have something that looks like this. So they're gonna draw an area model to help them solve. So area model, we're gonna draw a box, okay? And then we're gonna place our 34 up here. We're gonna draw a line there. And we're gonna represent our factor 21 as 1 and 20, okay? Now, so we're actually taking the 21 and we're expanding it and making it 20 and 21. So why 20? 2 is in the tens place, so we show 2 being in the tens place with a 20. 1 is in the ones place. We show that the 1 is in the ones place by writing it as 1. Okay, so now we're ready to multiply. This box, we have 1 on the side and we have 34 above. So we're doing 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 3 is 3, okay? Then we go here. Before we start multiplying the 20, we must insert a 0 here, okay? Now that we have our 0 inserted, we're just gonna do 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times this 3 is 6. So now we have 2 partial products, and now the students are asked to do the standard algorithm. So the standard algorithm is the way we learned, parents, me and you learned. So that would be 34 times 21 written vertically like this. And then we would do 1 times 4, 1 times 3. And then they want you to draw lines to show that the partial products, they match. So we were able to make a match there. The same way we start with a 0 here, we're starting with a 0 here. Okay, now here I can kind of show you why. Because we're about to move over to our tens place and begin to multiply this bottom tens with the 4, then with the 3, we need our answer to start in the tens place. So we begin 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 3 is 6. So notice how this partial product matches this partial product. Okay, we can add to get the product. 4 plus 0 is 4. 3 plus 8 is 11. Remember to carry your 1 here. 1 plus 6 is 7. So the answer is 714. So for this part of the homework, they're just showing how using this visual model, which is an area model for our multiplication, and this standard algorithm, we were able to use different methods and make them produce the same answers. Okay, so now I'm gonna do another example. So here we have a 2-digit times a 2-digit. We're gonna switch, because in your homework, you'll probably see a 3-digit number times a 2-digit number. Again, this is not like your homework. These problems actually come from the math lesson or the students' problems that they work in class, okay? So here again, we're using our area model. So we're gonna draw a box. We're gonna write 434 here. And then again, we're gonna split this box in half. We're gonna put our 1 here and our 20 here. So we're representing the 21 as 20 plus 1, okay? Now that we have done that, we're ready to multiply. So we will start here, or it really doesn't matter where you start, but we'll start here. So we'll do 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 3 is 3. And 1 times 4 is 4. Or we could have just did it all at once. 1 times 434 is going to be 434 because anything times 1 gives you back that number. So again, we're starting with a 0 here. Now we're multiplying. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times this 4 is 8. So we have our two partial products. Now we're going to do the standard algorithm. So we're doing 434 times 21. So we're starting here with our bottom ones place, and we're doing 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 4 is 4. Notice how these partial products match. So we draw an arrow to show that they match. Now we're going to go over to our bottom tens place. You want to insert a 0 just like we did here because our answer needs to start in the tens place. Now we're doing 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 3 is 6. And 2 times 4 is 8. Notice how our partial products are matching. And then we will continue to solve by adding. 4 plus 0 is 4. 3 plus 8 is 11. You put in a 1, carry the 1 here. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 6 is 11. Put the 1, carry the 1 here. 1 plus 8 is 9. So our product will be 9,114. Okay? So for the rest of the homework, students are asked to show the standard algorithm, and then there are some word problems in there. So for that, for the word problems, have your child do either the standard algorithm or the area model, whichever method they feel comfortable with. Okay, I thank you so much for joining me today. Until I see you next time.